Alrighty, so today we're going to be 3D printing 2017 shaders. These shaders are going to be 3D printed in 3 pieces, the ear pieces and the eye pieces. So let's get started with the print. Alright, the glasses have finished. 2017. How cool is that? I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the rim real fast. Alright, finished, and I've cleaned them up now. Basically, the glasses have the earpieces, which go on here, and they go on here like this. They fit on, and then there's supposed to be a little a pin thing that fits through there. But my dilemma is I need to find something that can fit through that hole like that. And I came up with sewing pins. I figured that we could take these and put these through that like that to create the hinge that we're looking for. And bend those over to make them work. So that's how I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some needle nose, cut those up and bend those into place. Alrighty, there we go. The glasses are complete. The 2017 New Year glasses are complete. But now we should test out the glasses. Oh yeah, they work. Looks like the glasses fit. Sweet. Alright, my mom has got the painting bug and decided to start painting the glasses.
I'm gonna do the numbers in white, I guess. And then, I don't know, I'm gonna get some red, white, and blue in here. So red and blue will be somewhere else.
Awesome, that's gonna be so cool. Happy New Year. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next year in 2017. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking you should try them out. Yeah, they fit you good.